Hello friends, it's Danny Sonic. Today I want to show you how to write IMEI in MTK phones, especially version 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 with mauimeta version 10.1865. This works very perfectly in MTK phones of these current Android versions. Today Infinix X I'm having Infinix Hot 9 Play. So I want to show you how to do it in Infinix Hot 9 Play. So quickly stay tuned. This phone has a fake IME, so I want to put the original one that it came with. To confirm your previous IME, you need to dial *06. This is a fake IME, this is not the original IME. So let's get started. We power off the phone. Power off the phone. Then you install your app, your mauimeta. Install it. After installing, I've already installed my own. Then you install MTK drivers. I'll provide them in this video description link. So to connect the phone, you need to have a USB cable. Then you connect the phone while powered off. After plugging in the phone, then you click on connect. If the phone is charging, you unplug it and plug it again. As you can see, the phone is connecting. After this is successfully read to 100%, then the phone is connected. Then here we turn to green, and it will show you connected. Remember, changing of IMEI is illegal, so write the original IME of the phone. Here, as you can see, connected. Then you click on load DB file. Then you click from target. As you can see, loading DB file. Load DB success. The phone is connected now. Then you click here. Then you click IME download. Remember, changing of IME is illegal, so put the original IME. Me, I have a backup of my own IME, so I'm writing it. As you can see, this is the original IMEI of my phone. So then you click on write IME to target successful. Then you click on disconnect. The phone has been disconnected, and the phone will start charging automatically after the more sign disappears from the phone. So if the phone starts charging, then you power on the phone. The problem is solved. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like and share with your friends. You wait while your phone boots. To see if what we did was successful, you still check it by dialing *06#. As you can see, this is the original IMEI of the phone. It has been restored. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like my videos. This method can also work for Hot 10, Hot 9, Hot 8, all those MTK phones. Thank you.